Hello guys, this is the topics square and square root, chapter number 3, class 8 mathematics. So students, here we study about the pattern of numbers. Let we take first pattern, that is 1 squares, yani having all digits of 1. After that square we have a great pattern like this: 1 square equal to 1, and 1 and 1, 11 square equal to 1 to 1, and 1 1 1 square equal to 1 2 3 2 1. It means to say here student, you should notice about that when you make a square of having all digit of 1, so you should notice that pattern 1, and here you gives 1 and 1 2, so we move forward 1 and 2. After that we put reverse countings, so that is the 1 2 and 1, and after that 1 1 1 squares we put 1 2 3, after that reverse counting 2 and 1. So here students, same this way you see that here we take 1 1 1 square equal to 1 2 3 and 4. After that you can reverse digits, that is like 3 2 1, and here 1 1 1 1 1 squares. It means to say here the digit is 1 1, numbers total 5. So you can put 1 2 3 4 5 same. After that reverse the digit, that is 4 3 2 and 1. Same this way 1 2 3 4 5 6, because here the total counting of 1 is 6, so we move forward to the digit 6. After that we reverse 5 4 3 2 1. So same this way students, you can make any large numbers pattern of having digit 1 1 1. So this is the pattern. After that you see another interesting pattern, same this way. So why this situations you take 1, it means to say 1 square, and 1 2 1, it means to say 1 plus 2 plus 1 equal to 2 square, and 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 equal to 9, it means to say 3 square, and 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 equal to 16, it means to say 4 square. So students, you see that is the interesting patterns I have explained here. So this is the patterns you move forward, we find here 5 square, and we move forward we find here 6 square. So this is the another interesting patterns you got students from here. So this is the first and second. After that we take another pattern like this. So we can calculate here patterns, that is the total numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and multiply by 9. So we get here 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 and 1 1 1, and same this way 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 multiplied by 18. So B, see here this is the table of noun 9. So we get 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 and same this way 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 multiplied 27, we get here 3 3 3 3 3 3 and 3 3 3. So students, you see this pattern belong continue same this manners. So we move forward 9 tables 36. It means to say 4 4 and 4 4 4 4 4 4. Same this way you move forward. So we get here like that 5 5 5 5 5 5 and 5 5 5. This is the interesting patterns we got students here. After that you see students another patterns we get from here, that is 0 multiplied 9 plus 1. So here you see student that is 1, and we take another just like as 1 multiplied 9 plus make 2. So here you see students that is the another pattern 11. So here students 1, and we see students here that is the 1 2 multiplied 9 plus here you see students 3. So we get here 1 1 1, and same this way here students we get 1 2 3 multiplied 9 plus here we get 4. So we get 1 1 4. So this is the pattern students. You move forwards, you find that same this manners, that is 1 2 3 4 dash plus 5. It means to say 1 1 1 1 and 1. So this is the pattern, remain continue. So this is the patterns I have studies about this type of 4 patterns in this 8th class. After that we take some questions from these patterns students. So you should recognize these patterns, how we solve and how we create easily any large calculations. So we take some example for the next videos. Till then,